you any tea from food at all? With that? Yeah, not bad, thanks to you. Any biscuits or anything? Yeah, there you go. Is there anything off the menu at all?
No.
Cheers, thank you. Any drinks at all?
Can I have a tea and an apple juice, please? Thank you.
Shall I tell yourself to any biscuits?
Oh yeah. Sorry.
Anything off the menu?
No, thank you.
Cheers.
Thanks very much.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard this. This is the 1205 East Midlands train service to London St Pancras International. Calling first at Beeston, then Loughborough, Leicester, Market Harborough, Kettering, Wellingborough, Bedford, Luton Airport Parkway. Due to arrive into London St Pancras International at 13:56. First class accommodation can be found towards the rear in coach G and the rear of coach D. Standard accommodation in all the areas. Safety posters have been placed adjacent to each exit door, and at some stage throughout your journey with us today, please familiarise yourself with these. We do have trolleys on board today, so can I please ask passengers to make sure that all gangways and dials are kept free of luggage and that it's stored in the appropriate area. Small items of luggage in the overhead luggage rack, large items at each end of the coach. Welcome aboard this. This is the 1205 East Midlands train service to London St Pancras International. Calling first at Beeston, then Loughborough, Leicester, Market Harborough, Kettering, Wellingborough, Bedford, Luton Airport Parkway, due to arrive into London at 13:56. Ladies and gentlemen, the service will shortly be arriving at your first station call, which is Beeston. Beeston is your first station call. On departure from Beeston, this service will go forward to call next at Loughborough.
I've never seen the real thing.